Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 292.2 Ecotech starts runs needs turbo replacing no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 167363. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is perfect. Starts straightaway, idles correctly. No back pressure or misfiring, straightforward turbo replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.